Okay, we are Saturday, January 21st, and our official day 3 of built-in aquarium build. And today in construction world is the day that we all refer to as the day you get nothing you wanted to get accomplished because of one minor electrical issue that wasn't even relevant to our current plan. So we started today and we suddenly had no power to a couple of areas of the house, and it was all due to this outlet that had a faulty ground wire that was tripping the grounded outlet in the garage, and it also blew the power on the outlet that runs the fan in this room. So after spending a couple hours troubleshooting that, we finally got started. What we did today is we, meaning myself and the awesome George Jeffcoat, who is amazing, put in our electrical outlets down here, and essentially we have a GFI that all the outlets are run off of, a 20 amp GFI, and we also have at the bottom, that outlet is going to be a dedicated outlet that's going to go to the chiller. So we will be able to plug the chiller directly into our Apex Aqua controller to turn it on and off based on the temperature of the aquarium. Now this PVC tubing that's coming through here is actually going to be an area that we can put our probes for our aqua controller through the wall into where the aquarium's actually going to go. So this wall area is going to be closed back up, and it is going to have the picture molding put back on it to mimic the way that it looked before. And I'm going to build a cabinet that will sit here to hold our aqua controller and our main electrical equipment, which will plug into our outlets here and will go into our tubing, which is fed through the wall over here. And this is where we'll be able to fish through our probes and anything else that we need to get to on this side. And we also put in a low voltage box here, which will house one of the USB cords that hooks our aqua controllers together. And up top, another USB low voltage box up there. So tomorrow, we're hoping to put in those outlets, finish the rest of the green board on this wall, finish by putting our Ethernet. This other hole in this dual gang here is for an Ethernet port, which will actually hook into our aqua controller so that I can monitor the aquarium online. So we will finish that up tomorrow and put drywall back on this wall. Now, to show you the other step that we made is the chiller we've actually decided to put in the laundry room. And so the chiller outlets are going to come out of the aquarium, and they're going to go through one of those holes down through the crawl space, and then we will traverse this way through the crawl space over to our laundry room. And the reason is mostly for sound and also to be able to have proper ventilation. So today we also built this floating shelf here, which has received its first coat of paint, and the chiller will sit up on this shelf, and that hole through the drywall is where we'll put an electrical outlet that will be dedicated to the chiller that will go back to the aqua controller, and we will also put the water lines that will go to that chiller or to the aquarium. So it'll be a closed loop circuit with the chiller back here. And so we end at the end of day 3 and look forward to tomorrow actually completing the rest of the plumbing work, or the majority of the rest of the plumbing work, through the crawl space.